Hi, Sarah, and everyone over at Katz Roofing and Siding. My name's Christian. I'm with Ring and SEO, local digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this video for you, give you some free tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence and move up the ranks in Google. Three things I want to talk about: content, citations, and backlinks today. So first of all, content. Content is not just the words on your website. It's also the pictures, what's behind the pictures, how those pictures are saved, alt tags, meta descriptions, etc. So content is king in the eyes of Google, and we recommend 1,500 words minimum on any page you're trying to rank in Google. And so just by looking right here, I'm going to go ahead and say you have less than 600 max on here. So you're definitely going to want to go ahead and add some more content, and you're going to want to make sure that content's relevant and it includes buyer intent keywords. I'm not sure, it looks down here like you have maybe this is a franchise Katz Roofing, or I'm not sure what these different areas are down here, so I'm not sure how much you can actually do with the website. But whoever's in charge, you're going to want to let them know that content is king, and the more content you have that's relevant, including buyer intent keywords, the higher you're going to rank organically in Google. And so moving forward, this is what we like to call a map pack. And so I typed in Lansing Roofing Companies, and I didn't see you guys in here. We see Precision, Sheriff Goslin, CS Roofing. So this would be an example of a buyer intent keyword that you'd want to incorporate into your content and pictures. But so a map pack has to do with citations, and what a citation is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number is listed through various directories throughout the web. So Facebook, Better Business Bureau, Yelp, Yellow Pages, any directory throughout the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed is going to give you a citation. And the more citations you have, the higher you're going to be in this map pack for the service areas that you're trying to reach and keywords. So I do have your company pulled up over here, your map pack. It was kind of hard to find the original, so I kind of had to shoot through. That's why I'm saying I'm seeing a lot of these. I'm not sure if this is a franchise or whatnot, but you do have pictures. So one thing we tell all of our clients is to have minimum 10 pictures. So I'm not sure how many pictures you have here, but just make sure you have at least 10 and make sure those are saved as buyer intent keywords. And that's definitely going to help you push yourself up. And then also these reviews. So minimum 25. So 25 is the number to shoot for. So I suggest just continue pushing those reviews whenever you get done with the job. And I do understand the importance of reviews, and so does Google. So you're going to want to make sure you have 25 minimum reviews and 10 pictures that are saved as keywords. Now this, all this other section is pretty good. Other than that, you're looking pretty good. And your website is clean, by the way, so I will commend you on that. Just the content and how those pictures are saved is going to be very important. Lastly, we have backlinks. So a backlink is your website URL, katzroofing.com, and where that's listed on the internet, anywhere. And so this is a paid tool we use called Ahrefs, and it gives a lot of information on the on your website. But most importantly is backlinks. And so you do have 134 backlinks coming from 25 referring domains, although not all backlinks are created equal. And as you can see here, this is your UR rating and your DR rating. And these are out of 100, and the higher the better. But regardless of how high you are, you want to make sure that the numbers are a 1-to-1 ratio. And as you can see here, you got 0.3 DR with a 21 UR. That's way off. And so what that tells me is that of these 134 backlinks you have, which are not all created equal, Google's picking that up as some of these as being spammy. So you want to make sure that your backlinks are coming from referring domains that are relevant and not spammy. So just do some research and find out where your backlinks are and make sure that your backlinks are in the right place. The more backlinks, the better, and definitely you're going to want to have more backlinks than your competitors to rank organically. Now, lastly, this is your organic keywords that you're ranking for, and you're actually not in the #1 position for any. of these keywords. But Lansing Roofing Companies, that gets 30 people, 30 hits per month. You're in the 37th position. Roofing Companies, Lansing, Michigan, 80 volume every month. You're in the 55th position. Roofing, Lansing, Michigan, 100 people every month. Type that in. We're in the 87th position here. So these are some examples of some buyer intent keywords that you're going to want to throw into your content to help you rank up in position to beat your competitors and make sure that you are the number one. So I hope this information finds you well. I hope that it's useful and that you do take advantage of these tips that I'm offering you. If you have any feedback or would like to get in touch with us, feel free to do so. Otherwise, I hope you have a good 2021, and thanks for watching.